Between upcoming school assignments and extracurricular activities, meal and snack schedules can be somewhat of a blur for families. When a heartier snack is needed to fuel activity and learning minds, these buffalo potato bites are a delicious way to get nutrient-rich vegetables into growing bodies. Here's how to make them. Cut potatoes into wedges and place in a large bowl. Potatoes provide vitamins such as vitamins C and B6, along with potassium and fiber, so they're a great staple to include in your family's weekly menu. Drizzle potato wedges with oil and season with salt and pepper. Combine well, transfer to a sheet pan, and bake. Arrange potatoes on a platter and drizzle with buffalo sauce and ranch dressing. Top with carrots, celery, and green onions, and let everyone dig in. For this recipe and more, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.